In this video, we'll see the top gainer or loser intraday trading strategy. Okay. We'll do it for a few more days with aftermarket examples so that you can get used to it. So in this strategy, you can choose the first three stocks in the top gainers or top losers according to the market direction. So if the overall market direction is positive, we'll choose from top gainers. So instead of choosing the first stock, we can choose the second or third stock so that these stocks will have some space to move upwards, because the first stock has already reached its maximum potential by that time, or it could also move a bit upwards afterwards, but mostly it will be like that. So mostly the second or third stocks can have some space to move upwards. So we'll go with the second or third one. We'll choose the stocks among these three by referring to the larger time frames. So now we'll start with Tech Mahindra. Okay. We'll see where we could have entered and exited. Okay, the last trading price was 1080. You can, if you look at the money control website, you can see quickly the investing opportunities, that is for the fundamental side. Fundamental side, you can quickly see this strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, all these things. And also technical, it is very bullish. If you want to see all the technicals, you can quickly go through this. And green, 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 green. This is gray is medium. Red is negative thing for the company. So we'll see green, green, green. So few greens over there. So technical, very bullish. So support and resistance, you can also refer these pivot levels. Moving average, you can quickly go through all these things. Okay, so Tech Mahindra has been in a range bound market. Okay, you can see in first what we do is go for the longer time frame. Okay, go here, get the tools. Okay, horizontal line, and here it is trading between this range. You can see that, right? So here also this range. We also started for quick reference, horizontal line views and trend line. Okay, so it is trading between this range and this range. Okay, so what you can do is, if it breaks this range, you could have taken the trade, but we might not have expected that it would go up. So we would have thought that it would go somewhere down and gone back or something. So we are not very much sure about the price action. So always look for the longer time frame and quickly scan the stocks. TCS. Last trading price is 3,367.45. Okay, chart we see. So chart also you can see here, it has been going up, but still it is in range, but it is in uptrend only. So we could have considered this, provided we see where we could have entered and exited. With green candle and it went up. So uh, around 10:30, after 10 it is advisable for beginners to trade. So here we could have not predicted the moment, so it has gone up green then red, so we will not be very sure about that as a beginner. So here at 10 o'clock we should be ready to take a trade in whatever stock you have chosen. So as you can see here, the volume has been increasing for this thing, for bullish side. Okay, so the drop, you can see whether it has dropped during the bearish side. It has not dropped, but not very big movement also. Then again it is okay, again it is going up for this green side, bullish side. So again here also it is going up. So the market is favoring the bullish side. Okay, there is more volume. The volume has been increasing during the like green candles. Okay, so if it breaks this level, it has gone up and come down. So if it breaks this level, get ready, and if it breaks this level, you should start a trade. So if we had taken a trade around, we cannot catch the exact move. So if it closes above this and this, you could have taken a trade here at 3,315. Okay, and here what happens is um, okay, here it started the breakout. Okay, so from here to here it has given a move, but we cannot catch the entire movement because we don't know where it would reverse or anything. So for the safer side, what we do is we'll exactly start here around the middle of this. Okay, so we'll see, we start at the middle. Okay, so now what you can do is you can either put Heikin candle, because you might be confused looking at the candlestick as a beginner. So if you want, you can see here. So we have taken a trade here. Just see whether the candlestick, that is Heikin candlestick, is increasing or decreasing in size. Okay, so in Heikin you just have to see whether it is increasing in size. Okay, so it has started here, it has increased in size, but it has suddenly decreased, so we should be ready to book the profit. Okay, so we are not taking the trade here anyway, so we'll see from here it has it is not increasing, but still it is decreasing and suddenly took off here. Okay, so we should take the profit only at the second or third candle after the confirmation. Okay, quick 30 points from here to here. Okay, if we, okay, you can keep 1 or 2 points as a trailing stop loss, and you can move forward here. So here it has ended. It has been constantly increasing in size, and suddenly it has given a red candle. So this is where we should take the profit. It will usually give this random whipsaws like 1 or 2 points, and then again it will increase. But to be on the safer side, we'll book the profit. Okay, so here we can take the profit. So from 29 to here another 50 points. Okay, so here we should quickly book the profit. Okay, from here it is not moving up that much, you can see here. And another one thing is if it is forming a range, a rectangle box or range or whatever you call it as, like consolidation or whatever, you should be ready to take a trade, because it will give a huge movement after that consolidation. Once a consolidation breaks out, either it goes down or up, whatever side it is, it will give a quick huge movements like 1 or 2 points, or depending upon the time frame you're trading, it will give quick huge movements, so you can catch up on that. Okay, so for tomorrow also you can see if it breaks above this or this, you can see how it is reacting, and you can understand from that. So here if you can look at the Infosys chart. Okay, you should first check with the candlesticks, because candlestick gives us the actual price and also the actual price action what is happening in the market. So let's look at the candlestick quickly. So here you can see in day chart it has broken its resistance, so it is going to move in the positive direction for a few days. So we could have got the trade here. Okay, so this stock could have been selected for the intraday trading today. So depending on the larger time frame price action, choose the stock. So it has broken it over here. Okay, as you can see the blue line. So what we could have done is, so if you see here, leave the first 30 minutes. Okay, till here. Okay, till this candle you could leave it. So you can see till this 5-minute candle it has been forming a range. Okay, once it breaks this, it will give a good moment. Here to here. Okay, and here to here. It has been forming a rectangle or consolidation or whatever it is you call. So after it breaks above this level, okay, you could have entered the trade, because in this side the volume has been increasing. Okay, so that is also a good sign. And also larger time frame, you see it has given a breakout. That is the second positive sign. Okay, and next thing is you should also see the candle which was formed during the breakout. Okay, so if you see this candle is a complete bullish candle with little spike, a little wick on the upper side, but that's okay. So you can have got the trade here 1525 and let it run, keeping 1 or 2 point as stop loss, trailing stop loss, or you could use the ATR as the stop loss, and you could have trailed it. So from here 1525, okay, till 2525, so 25 points, around 25 points profit. Okay, and another thing is the trending stocks would always be forming this kind of pattern, like higher high and higher lows. Okay, so that also you can see to confirm it. If any other chart pattern you could see in the chart also, you can use that for confirmation. So after all this confirmation, you could take a trade here. Okay, so we can also confirm with this thing, the Fibonacci candle. So that's how we'll do the intraday trading. So, and that's it for this video. We'll see you tomorrow.